Hello, welcome to Ms. McCoy's Kitchen. Today we are talking about capacity, and we're going to start with customary. So we're going to start with a cup. This right here is 1 cup, and we are going to see how many cups it takes to make 1 pint. You can make your guesses right now. So I'm going to fill it up with water. Alright, there is 1 cup. I'm going to pour it into my pint. 1, maybe spill a little water on the way. Alright, there's 1, and it is not all the way full yet, so let's see if we add a second one. And 2. There we go. So we just proved right here that 2 cups make 1 pint. Alright, and then so our smallest unit of measurement for capacity is ounces. So you see right there, that would be 8 ounces to fill up the cup. And then we have cup, and then we have pint, and then our next biggest form of measurement is called a quart. So let's see how many pints it takes to fill up a quart. We're going to start off with 1 pint. Pour it in. Alright, I'm about halfway, so you can take a guess on how many more pints I need to fill up a quart. Alright, 1 more pint, and then we have a quart. So we just proved that 2 pints make a quart. And our last biggest measurement that we have for capacity is one that you're probably very used to seeing, called a gallon. Like we have a gallon of milk. Alright, so I have 1 quart here. Let's pour it in and see how many we need to make a gallon. Wow. Alright, there is 1 quart of water. So you can take your guess on how many more I need to fill this up and make a gallon. Alright, let's try and speed this up. Alright, 1 more quart. I am holding it over my sink so I don't spill it all over my floor. Alright, now we have 2 quarts. Ready, here we go. 3 quarts. Alright, we are almost there, but not quite. And last but not least, I assume, 1 more quart. So if you're counting with me, that is 4 quarts. And we're at a gallon. Wow, that got really heavy. So, we just proved, if I have a cup, I need 2 to make a pint. If I have a pint, I need 2 to make a quart. And if I have quarts, I would need 4 to make a gallon. So that is how it works with our customary system. Metric system, what we talk about milliliters and liters. So milliliters are something that fits in an eye drop. They are very teeny tiny forms of measurement. And then I wanted to give you an example. So I have a water bottle right here, and it even says, if you are looking at the label, it says there are 500 milliliters in here. So if I had 2 of the same water bottle, that would equal 1 liter, because a liter is 1,000 milliliters. So those are the 2 forms of measurement that we're going to talk about when we are talking about the metric system.